Now, in a major development, viewers, from Pakistan, a military court has sentenced former Intel Services Intelligence Chief Lt Gen Faiz Hameed, who's retired, to 14 years of rigorous imprisonment. The Field General Court Martial found him guilty on 4 serious charges: engaging in political activities, violating the Official Secret Act in a manner detrimental to national security, misusing authority and government resources, and causing wrongful loss to individuals. According to the Army's Inter-Services Public Relations Wing, the proceedings began on August 12, 2024 under the Pakistan Army Act and spanned 15 months of what they described as lengthy and laborious legal processes. Hameed, who led the ISI from 2019 to 2021 during the tenure of imprisoned former Prime Minister Imran Khan, was afforded full legal rights, including the choice of his defense team. The sentence was promulgated today, despite December 11, and Hameed retains the right to appeal. The military noted separately that his alleged role in fomenting political agitation with certain elements is under distinct investigation. This rare, high-profile conviction of a retired 3-star general has stunned observers in Pakistan, where the army holds immense influence, and it stems from a Supreme Court-ordered probe into the so-called top city housing scam. I have my guests joining me on the broadcast. Now, I have Major General G.G. Dwivedi, geostrategic and global defense expert. Sir, I'd like to begin with your opening comments on this big story.
Thank you, Vaishali. This is not quite unexpected, because Faiz Hameed was the Imran Khan's blue-eyed boy, and he was the ISI chief during Imran Khan's time. Now, with Asim Munir at the helm, and he is gunning for all these people who are close to Imran Khan and also Imran Khan himself. So therefore, he was under custody for quite some time, and these charges which have been fabricated against him, like involvement in political activity, violation of Secret Act. Well, every general of the Pakistan Army has some political leaning or some political involvement, but basically it is vendetta politics being played by Asim Munir, because he is cleaning out all those people who are close to Imran Khan, and Imran Khan himself is in the prison and Jadala jail. So therefore, what is actually happened is not surprising, because as I said, that Faiz Hameed was very close to Imran Khan, and had Imran Khan continued, he would have become the army chief as well. Vishali.
Major General Dwivedi, I also want to ask you, how do you think this development will affect internal military dynamics and factional alignments in Pakistan?
Well, Pakistan military is highly politicized, and it is a force which actually controls the Pakistani narrative, and whichever chief comes into power, well, he wields the full authority. And here, Asim Munir actually has become the most powerful chief after Musharraf, because he is now the chief of defense forces, he is field marshal, he is to retire, his term is up to 2030. So therefore, yes, there is certain amount of factionalism in the army, but all those people who don't toe Asim Munir line will be eased out. And as he has a full control over the armed forces. So the point is that certain amount of factionalism is always there, because as I said, the Pakistan army is highly politicized, and they are the ones who owe their allegiances not to any particular political party, but to themselves. So, well, I think any factionalism or any dissent will be quelled, because Asim Munir is fully in control of the situation in the army and the country, and he will ensure that any dissent is ruthlessly put down. Vishali.
So, another question that's coming to my mind is that the way this man was tried, the system of military courts, I mean, do they meet global standards for fair trial rights? Do you think that is applicable?
No, actually, these military courts in Pakistan do not meet any global legal, tenets. In fact, they are like mostly the punishment or the decision is already premeditated, and they are able to muster enough evidence to prove that. So it is a very dignified form of kangaroo court, and therefore any military court, you can't expect justice. Charges are fabricated, witnesses are produced, and all this thing is basically a theatrics or a drama. But there's no much of validity or legal sanctity about the military courts, because they pre-decide, and they are only basically a facade. Vishali.
Major General Dwivedi, always a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you for joining me on the broadcast. And now we have some major news coming in.